Dr. Darshana, and he's my husband, Dr. Swapnil. We are parents of Arya Rungaonkar. She is studying in 10th grade, and we have approached you for the career guidance because she was confused regarding which career she has to pursue in future. She had no clear idea about what exactly she wanted to do, and she had confusion about going into multiple streams. So that was making her lose her energy, and she was not able to focus also in the studies. With her, even we were quite confused as to what could she be doing in the future. So we were searching for someone who could guide her and help her make her own informed decision as to which career would be the best for her. She used to just read on all the topics and spend her time analyzing different career options by getting information through various sources. But all of this was fragmented and not giving her a complete perspective of each branch.
She got information about various career options which are available, in-depth knowledge about them, and what options she can have even after the undergraduation or post-graduation after that. And that helped her in deciding what should be done. Basically, right now she is in 10th grade. So initially she has to take option for the 11th, 12th, and then go for the specialty courses, professional courses. So that whole thing she got in a nutshell, all that.
Now she's very much convinced that this is the field for her, the engineering field. And with a fully prepared mind, now she can focus on her studies well. While earlier, while studying for a few days, or she repeatedly used to go back to this career dilemma. But now, since the things are very clear, she's able to full-heartedly focus on the chosen career option and work for it. Happy now that she has found her liking, and now she's working towards it. So that is making us also very happy.
Of a question and answer type of interaction, in which she was assessed based on her responses to a particular set of questions, and then she was given information about multiple options which are available, rather than selecting a particular thing and forcing based on the results. She was given multiple options, and then out of that which one might suit her in future. So that explanation part also was quite clear and good.
Actually, this was a long stretched program. It was like running for almost 3 months. So I think this is one differentiating feature in which it helps children also open up to the mentor, and the mentor gets a better hang of the child's mindset, the aptitude, and definitely it can improve the outcome based on you can also judge the child for a long duration, as unlike other programs which might be for an hour or two, a counseling session. So this is basically the point which I really liked about this program, that it runs through a series of sessions. Like you take the child's perspective. You have interviewed us also 2-3 times. So it was really, this is the point which I really liked about this. Mindset activation program was one of the best things which you have included along with this career guidance. Actually, Arya used to look forward each day to attend this program, and definitely I think with this she has got an awareness that she needs, and she is doing the meditation, the affirmations, visualization, what you have taught, and she has understood the importance of it. Like she herself realized it, and I definitely see a change in her behavior, and to any situation I see her reactions are more positive. So there's a positive outlook which has improved in her behavior, which I find a difference after attending that program. So definitely more confident now, taking her own decisions, and I can see that in almost all her day-to-day situations, what she reacts to, like the way she is behaving. There is definitely a boost in the confidence, and sometimes she even advises us and her younger sister very positively.
Even school activities she is participating
Yes.
more actively now, and she is enjoying all those non-academic activities. So that is
Right.
additional change.
And she sometimes definitely gives references, saying that she has learned this in the activation program, and that's why she's she uses that and tells us also that this is the way it has to be, because we have been taught there. So, and I highly recommend this approach. And I have found that Arya, or my child, is convinced from within that now she needs to pursue this field, and she's working for it.
Earlier thing was we were just given the theory aspect was covered based on the question and answers what the child is writing. Based on that, they gave us the career options. Parent or the child was not personally interviewed or taken into consideration their interest or their liking. So in this, even the parents were taken into interaction, and the child as well, along with the question and answer session. So that's why this makes a unique program rather than the other things which just based on the test series they analyze the child's personality, and then they give the career options.